Hi, Michael Patine here, and I'm on the road again in my lovely hotel room with my makeshift office here so I can edit videos, which I'll be editing this one probably tonight. Here I am in lovely Lancaster, Pennsylvania after doing a 2-day workshop yesterday and today talking about sound and transformation yesterday, and today talking about and playing a lot of drumming with my new book, Drumming for Non-Drummers. It's been a great time. A lot of good people at both sessions, and we had a lot of fun. It's nice to get out here and especially go to different places, meet new people, and meet people that I know from the internet, from Facebook and other social media, and finally meet in person. So it's always fun to get out. We had a good time here. We had a really good group of people. They were really invested in learning and participating, and it was good. It was good. I really feel good about it. And that's what it's about. I really like to share what I know and transmit all this information to people to help them on their journey that they can move along further. Today's session was really excellent. It was the first session I did with the new book, which will be out in November. I should probably show you the book. Got copies here. And Drumming for Non-Drummers. It's a short book, but it's really packed with a lot of information. And you don't have to be able to read music. You don't have to have studied music. You don't have to be a drummer. You can be a complete noob and just pick up a drum, and I'll help you get there to playing some really great rhythms, especially for people who do sound work and they like to use a drum in their session along with their gongs and bowls and whatever. It's a great little book. And working with everybody today, I really felt good about the material in here because they really took to it and we had a great time. I got people playing all kinds of rhythms and understanding how rhythm is put together, understanding musical structure, and it was a lot of fun. And the group we had them all just playing together, and they gelled. They really found a groove, and we were having a lot of fun. We were all exhausted at the end from playing so much on the drums. You wouldn't think just playing basic frame drums would take that much energy, but it really does. And the people were into it, so I just kept going. I kept pushing them, like, okay, we're gonna do this rhythm now and this rhythm, and yeah, it was excellent. So it's great. I love getting out here, but here's not the exciting part of it. It's great doing the workshops and meeting the people and hanging out with the people and that, but then here I am sitting in my hotel room, gotta work on some video stuff, and I've been doing some email and things like that, and checking Facebook and all. I'll probably watch a movie or something like that later tonight and just chill out. I've got to drive tomorrow to Gong Camp, which is a bit east of here in Pennsylvania. I'll be at Gong Camp for 4 days, and I'll be teaching 2 sessions there, the same 2 sessions. And I'm looking forward to that. It's always a good crew of people at Gong Camp, and we have a great time. I get to play lots of really amazing gongs and other instruments, and who knows what I might bring home with me. I never go with any expectations, but there's so many great instruments. You might find something that really you need. As many things as I have, I can still find a sound that I could use. So I'm kind of hoping I find something. I just like to keep adding to my collection of sounds, and I rotate things a lot. I'll take this instead of that and this instead of that. So things are always changing for me. But this is it. This is the glamorous life. Here I am in a hotel room, just chilling out. Grabbed some food after the session, and now I'm here chilling out. It's still nice out. It's a nice day. It's not dark yet. I'll probably go for a walk after this video here. Get some exercise and stretch my legs, see a little bit of the scenery around here, and kind of stay fit a little. And then I'll come back. And like I said, I'm going to work on some video and work on some social media and some emails and connect with a few people and then chill out. Okay, so that's first report from on the road here in 2025. I'll do something from Gong Camp in a couple days, and we'll see how that's going. All right, thanks. Here we go. On the road, out for a walk. It's like 77 degrees, a little before sunset. Can't just sit in a hotel room the whole time. Get out, get some exercise. I've got Clear Spot by Captain Beefheart playing in the AirPods here. What a great time to walk. I think it's important to get out. I like to go see the cities I'm in if I have the time. Go to do some shopping, go to museums if I can, art galleries, all sorts of things like that. Music stores, even if I find one. Hey, check out what they've got there. It's always fun. But yeah, just getting out and walking around the neighborhood where the hotel is. On this side, it's kind of a light industrial. Here's a post office and some other sort of offices here. It's real quiet. It's Sunday. There's nobody driving through. Just me walking around, stretching my legs. Captain Beefheart. Can't do any better than that. Doing the low, low, low here with the captain. All right, here comes the car. There's actually people out. Yeah. Always enjoy traveling. It's a lot of fun. Get to see new places, new people, new experiences. And like I said in other videos, I take all this in and I use it in my music. Whether it's a concert, solo percussion, a sound session, whatever. All the stuff that I'm taking in on my travels, it's right here, and I'm using it, and it comes out in my music. It's like I just released a recording Tuscany on my Bandcamp page, bandcamp.com/Gongtopia, from when I was in Italy and Tuscany last year playing and teaching. And I recorded my impression of the first 3 days in Tuscany when I was there. When I played my first concert, I played my impressions of Tuscany. So I finally dug out that recording and posted it up on Bandcamp. Go have a listen. And if you like it, buy it. Keep this old guy in business. Because I'm a business of one, really. I don't have a big support crew behind me. I don't have all kinds of managers and money and record labels. It's just me out here doing everything I do. But go check it out. That was me hanging out in Tuscany last year. And it came out in my music. So I don't know, maybe I'll do some sort of a Lancaster thing on YouTube or something. But yeah, that's the big thing. You got to get out in the real world. You got to pay attention to it. Listen to it. What sort of sounds do you hear? Birds, animals, cars, planes, people. It's awfully quiet here right now. A little traffic in the distance. Noise canceling probably cutting that out, but yeah, you got to bring your real world outside experiences into you, and then you take that and you release it through your instruments, whether you're playing drums or gongs, guitar, piano, whatever. You got to learn to take all this. You got to take all of this in and learn how to project it, transmit it from your instrument, from the music you do. That's incredibly important. At least to me. I like to take my inspiration from the natural world. But I also take my inspiration from other sources. Machinery. I love the rhythms of machines. I'll try to copy the rhythms I hear. Construction or assembly line machines or things like that. It's like, find inspiration in the sounds around you and use them. I mean, that's really key. It really is. Let's head over this way. Yeah. So here we are, almost sunset here. The golden hour. If I had one of my cameras with me, I'd be like interested in getting some photos of stuff out here. Yeah, get out in the real world. Discover it. Put it into your soul. Dissolve it. Marinate in it. However you want to describe it. But just take it in. And then when you play music, whatever sort of music you're making, take the world around you and release it in there. I think that's the way to do it. At least it is for me. I know a lot of other composers have done that. John Luther Adams, he's made a career out of writing these beautiful, long, symphonic type pieces about places he's been, the ocean, the desert, all kinds of stuff like that. He's taken inspiration from the real world. And a lot of other people too. So, yeah, get out of your house, get out of your studio. And I know I spend way too much time in the studio some days. And I like being there. I like creating. I love working on audio and video. I love playing my instruments, but you got to get outside and find that inspiration. Okay, I'll probably walk around a little more before it gets too dark, and then I'll head back up to my room, pop this exact video into my computer, and edit it for all you folks to assimilate later tonight or tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Get out of the house. Get out of the studio. Find the sounds outside. They're the best ones. Okay. Thanks.